In this video, we're unboxing Reolink Argus 3, showing you how to install and set it up in Reolink app within minutes. When you open the box, and you'll find your Argus 3 camera and other parts that help install and use it right away. Argus 3 has two integrated spotlights. They are motion activated and bright to help deter intruders and ensure full color night vision in up to 33 feet, 1080p Full HD, 120-degree wide viewing angle, smart PIR motion sensor detecting suspicious activities and sending instant alerts to your phone. Argus 3 comes with inbuilt rechargeable battery. Connecting via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Argus 3 stays completely free from cords and wiring hassles. Built-in mic and speaker, talk to any visitors or scare off attempted intruders remotely. Micro SD card slot, power switch, and reset button. To set up Argus 3 camera in Reolink app, turn on the power switch. Launch Reolink app, click Add New Device button, and scan the QR code on the camera. Then it will walk you through setting up with in-app instructions. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink. After setup, you can access the live view in Reolink app. For best motion detection, install Argus 3 2 to 3 meters above the ground. In your front porch, in the yard or sidewalk, in your garage. Monitor your property and keep you secure from day to night. Screw the base of the mounting bracket on the wall in accordance with mounting hole template. Attach the other part of the bracket to the base. Screw the camera, adjust the camera angle, and lock it in position. Install the base of the camera bracket on the wall in accordance with mounting hole template. Attach the other part of the bracket to the base. Screw your camera to the magnetic base. Then attach it on the mounting bracket and twist the camera in any direction. For magnetic bracket, you can also use the included mounting buckle to install it. Thread the hook and loop strap through the mounting bracket. Fasten the strap. Screw the camera to the bracket. That's it. For more about installing and using your Reolink Argus 3, visit support.reolink.com.